shot. Was I scared? Yes. Was I basically about to cry? Yes. Don't judge. Did I feel a little pinch? Yes, but if you moved on too much when you did take it, it will hurt for a while. And if you move during the shot, have ice cream, because I know for a fact that hurt. Am I watching Preston Place right now? Yes, I am. Am I having fun watching him be scared of Jesus? Yes, I am. Am I eating the noodle? Yes. When you take the COVID shot, you have to drink lots of water, eat, definitely eat, and treat yourself because you just had a shot. And yes, I was crying.